Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add features to your snaps on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, we can see you have spotlights where you can check out some videos. You have stories where you can check out stories from your friends, the camera, location, and your chats on Snapchat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add features to your snaps on Snapchat. First of all, open Snapchat, so launch the Snapchat app on your device. Then just take a snap. Tap the circle button to take a photo or hold it to record a video. Then add filters. Swipe left or right on your snap to apply different filters. You can also tap the smiley face icon next to the recording button to access more filters and lenses. Then just tap add text. Tap the T icon to add text to your snap. You can change the font, color, and size by tapping the text again and using the options that appear. Then draw on your snap. Tap the pencil icon to draw stuff, add stickers, use lenses, and of course add music, which you can do all on the right side of the screen. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you found this video informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.